treasures. Yeah. Need your hands. You're down a bit. You're a lot higher, isn't it?
What width is that?
I personally think it started as about 40
And
it's just expanded, yeah. Because
this is 40, isn't it? Or,
this is 40, yeah. The end wall is 44, but that's just because of the angle
yeah.
for the doorway. Do you know what I mean? We had to do it because it was obviously where the doorway went. So yeah, yeah. But then, like I say, this wall's this high. Get this wall up to that height, and then we can angle this down.
Is it angled the whole way?
Yeah, yeah. So the roof is going to be literally curved. The roof is it's 1.2, so it's about here. This wall.
See, I thought this went up like
no,
that,
no.
cornered off on that one, and then the slant was here.
No, no, no.
Right.
No, basically this, like this, the roof is going to go off. I think it works out about this stone here. So we need to fill this in on the angle.
Right.
But the roof is coming down literally following that.
And then landing on top
and then
of
that
this
is
wall.
basically going to be a small mini wall.
Right. Yeah, that's fine. I've given it a bit of a clean as well. Just to,
Yeah. Pretty spot on, mate, with the old, for what they were saying. Yeah. For once.
you'll be quite lucky.
I know, yeah. Nice. Stays like this, though. This is spot on. Bit of spit in the air.
We'll dampen up the line.
I'm about to say. You're probably you're happy, ain't you? I've done that. Just get that one covered straight away, mate. And then get this baby sorted. You might as well try and get as much as this done quickly together. That's alright now, that's a good chunk there.
Yeah, no.
Starting to form now, isn't it, when you actually look at it.